Hi guys, I'm now into one of the most beautiful and greenest place of India's Andaman and Nicobar. Havelock or Swaraj Deep is the most and wonderful places of these island groups. Now you can say I am into harsh and dense forest. No humans, nothing. Nature, me and sounds. Actually, I was not prepared for this trip. I'm so fortunate that I'm able to explore all these places just because a small cyclone hit the coast last week. I was into my hotel from last 4 days. This is my first uh, outing completely. So I'm going to Elephant Beach. This is the only way to reach there. You can see there is no guide. But if you come to Andaman, I specially recommend you this beach. But if there are any females with you, okay, you need to take proper care. You need to bring some extra precautionary items. Mosquitoes are too much. If you are good with your immune, it's not a big deal. But some of you are weak, maybe weak, so it's better to carry your odomus. You can listen to the sounds of parrots. Yeah. See guys, this is almost wow, 15 to 20 meters tall. It takes nearly 80 to 90 years to grow this long height. Oh my god, I'm completely what do you say? I'm not prepared to get into this actually. I thought it would be a nice trek. It's fortunate by for my legs, but I'm feeling so fortunate. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, to into this nature. Wow, it's just there to take a 5 minutes. Oh my god. See, this all will be nothing if you once reach the elephant beach. Oh, yeah. So I need to remove my shoes here. I don't want to lose them. So let me hide. Okay. So let me keep in this. Oh my god, yo. Oh, 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 oh. Wow. Yeah. As it rained too heavily last week, the entire route is too muddy. It's too slippery too. Oh, fortunately, I got a small stick to hold. See, guys, I want to keep my voice low so that even I can enjoy the sounds coming out. I think it will be around more 2 kilometers like this. I will definitely try to reach there until unless some range officer or forest officer stops me. As it is too muddy, I don't think it will be uh, recommended by them to reach Elephant Island. But let me have a try. Oh, expecting no wild animals here. No signs of humans going from here. I'm not even able to find a single footstep. And can you people guess what is this? This, this, this. Footsteps of an elephant. Wow. Let us go there. I'm so excited now. See, guys, don't keep any serials or any kind of blah 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 stuff when children are around you. Just keep National Geography or any other scientific stuff, so that if they are into some kind of uh, dilemma or trauma like this, they can be out. These are all life skills, and I especially recommend swimming for all children. So Indian culture, we are so afraid of taking children to swimming, but born babies are natural swimmers, as they are as their muscles are completely developed in mother womb. You can just go through some books or take suggestions from doctors. Oh my god. Ooh. I'm expecting. Oh no, no, I can't get in from there. It may be, oh, what do you call, we call ubi in Telugu, quicksand. It may be a quicksand, so we need to be careful. Oh my god, I need to get out of here. I need to be so careful. Just a minute, guys. Wow, these are all elephant marks. Oh yeah, I'm here. Done. Wow. Wow. See, these are definitely elephant marks. I'm not, these are not any wild elephant. These are trained elephants. See. I got some thorns into my back. Wow. Oh, I hope my shoes will remain safe there in dustbin. Oh. I'm getting a call even in this dense forest. Oh, it's somewhat difficult to walk without shoes, but let me hope everything will be good. See, generally I get so excited when I come to this kind of places, but now it's not time for excitement. It's time to use your mind, use your brain, be cool. Wow. I think this route is closed because this is a very famous beach, but I'm not able to see a single person here. Oh, yeah. I hope I will return in the same path. I'm so worried about my shoes. Oh, ow. It's almost been half an hour I am into this jungle. Wow. Wow. So let me say you something about quicksand. Quicksand is a semi-solid state of soil or water. It's a mixed thing. It is its density is normally more than a liquid and less than a solid, and if you are into that, it's highly impossible to get out of it until unless you know about the safety precautions you need to take. I specially recommend, I'm not completely trained to explain you about quicksand, but I recommend to see suggestions from YouTube or any kind of specially trained persons. So guys, oh, oh, oh. Guys, it's not about daring, yeah, being crazy. It's about enjoying the nature. I'm from Hyderabad. It's a concrete jungle. The common thing is jungle here. This is natural jungle, and we are living in a concrete jungle. Even though we have so many natural places around to visit, but it's a different kind of stuff. Now I'm confused which way to go. Yeah, let me take a right lane. Yeah, I can go in. Guys, you need to be moving. You should not stay at one particular place in this kind of jungle, as we have mosquitoes here, and you are not so immunized to these areas. It may be somewhat problematic for you after reaching home. I just had some mosquito bites. Hope now again 2 routes. Okay, I should not forget my way back. I know I will definitely reach to my bike, but I left my shoes in between. I thought of carrying in my hands, but I don't know how this jungle will be there. So it better to carry a bamboo or a stick which is strong enough to hold my weight. Oh my god, this is completely I can't explain this. The feel which we get when you keep your legs into this kind of stuff, na, it's wow, and it's act too. Let me okay, it's good here, it's good even here. Yeah, these are definitely elephant. Oh my god, these are definitely elephant marks. Expecting them to be there on beach when I reach there. I thought it's just a kilometer or 2 kilometer of trek. I have not even taken any suggestions from local people, just to give a try. Wow. Guys, just give me a minute. I will be back. Let me share my location to my well-wishers. This is just for the safety, nothing to worry. Just give me a second.